Let me tell you guys something. No matter what you acquire of this dunya, if you have all of the materialistic things that we keep aspiring for, you still won't be happy. You will be spiritually dead and empty. The way Allah has created your heart, it craves for its creator. It craves for its creator, my brothers and my sisters. That's the way Allah has created your heart. No one is saying that you can't work, that you can't go to university. No one's saying that. There's no harm taking from the dunya that which is going to aid and help and assist you hereafter. No problem. وَلَا تَنْسَ نَصِيبَكَ مِنَ الدُّنْيَا. As Allah says, don't forget your fair share of the dunya. Ibn Kathir said, مِنَ الْمَأْكُولَاتِ وَالْمَشْرُوبَاتِ وَالْأُمُورِ الْمُبَاحَةِ. From the food and the drink and the things that are permissible. No problem. Right? We're not the haram police guys that says everything is haram. Huh? Are you guys with me? They are spiritually dead and empty. They've said this with their own mouths. Right? We really want what they have, right? But look at the lives that they're living. Spiritually dead and empty. The way Allah created your heart, He craves for His creator. Let me speak about Fusi Chub for a moment, guys. Fusi Chub, who is a Muslim, right? More than once he has announced his apostasy on YouTube. He will come out, I'm leaving Islam. I don't even watch these guys, but he reached me. Right? I am leaving Islam. And then there's another title that says, I got bipolar, I got mental health, I got this. And he's talking about it openly. Everyone has seen it. Recently, just before his boxing match, and excuse me, brothers and sisters, for mentioning these names, right? It's not from the angle of dignifying them. He was asked just before his boxing match, and I took the video. Excellent. I love these kind of videos. Fortunately, when we talk to our shabab and we say, that righteous man of the tabi'een, of the tabi'ut tabi'een, said kada wa kada, said this and that, say, Wallahi, Allah yarhamuh. May Allah have mercy upon him. But they feel like they can't relate, right? Because of the distance in time. So ماذا حصل? Fusi Chub, they asked him just before his recent boxing match, how are you feeling? You know what he said? I couldn't feel any better. I stopped pornography. I stopped zina, like doing fornication outside of marriage. I stopped drinking alcohol. I stopped doing this and I stopped doing that. I stopped consuming drugs. And I'm staying on top of my salah. And I wouldn't feel any better. I couldn't feel any better. This is him saying this. Are you guys fans, huh? Fusi Chub fans? Huh? Are you brothers and sisters with me? Out of all people that might be, or that might give us a reminder, I know, me mentioning this, people are going to hold on to it and be affected by it. Wala bas. And he's saying it's helping him with his mental health. And I'm thinking to myself, Allah said in the Quran, over 1400 years ago that He set down, Inna salata tanha anil fahsha'i wal munkar. The salah, it removes the filth and the evil from your life. Also Allah said in the Quran, وَمَنْ أَعْرَضَ عَنْ ذِكْرِي فَإِنَّ لَهُ مَعِيشَةً ضَنْكًا. Whoever turns away from my remembrance, he will live a depressive life. Also Allah said, مَنْ عَمِلَ صَالِحًا مِنْ ذَكْرٍ أُنْثَى وَهُوَ مُؤْمِنٌ فَلَنُحْيَنَّهُ حَيَاةً طَيِّبَةً. Whoever from the male and the female, right? Whoever from the male and the female, they do good deeds and they come with iman. In this case, there's equal rights, guys. Huh? When it comes to the reward of Allah, al-ibadat, the reward, in that case, النساء شقائق الرجال, as the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said. When it comes to roles and certain things that He instructed them with, in that case, it's justice. Justice. Like, this person who comes with iman, faith, he also comes with righteous deeds, he will have that happy life. He will be satisfied in his day-to-day dealings, right? Because of him coming with these two things.